you guys, my name is Lake. If you don't already know who I am, I go by lake.marese, and today we're doing a unboxing my iPhone 13 plus accessories. I'll have my Instagram and TikTok listed below for you guys to follow me. Recently I've been making some TikToks, you know, the girlies love aesthetic vlogs, and now that I have a newer phone and better camera, oh, it's gonna be popping. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So today, you guys, I decided to get the iPhone 13. I had the iPhone 11 previously in the color purple, and I traded in and I ended up getting pink. I actually wanted to get like the white colored one, Starlight or whatever they call it, but when I got there, it was already out of stock. So I ended up getting pink because, you know, pink isn't really that pink like that. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. It's probably showing up like it's white. I just didn't want to have any dark colors at all, so that was going to be my second option, and I'm very happy that I did that. It's 128 gigabytes. I traded in my iPhone 11, which was in good condition, so that took off $300. I went to the Apple store. I didn't go to like Verizon, T-Mobile, stuff like that, because my carrier is Cricket and it's pretty high at Cricket, and I'm not gonna do that. So I was better off going to the Apple store and just trading my phone in, and that's what I did. I'm just gonna show you guys me unboxing and everything that came into the box. Then I'm going to put on my screen protector and my case, and then we'll go jump straight into talking about the quality and my first thoughts. Now that we have got a few things out of the way, let's jump straight into the video. So good. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing part, so let's get down to the nitty gritty. So as you can see, my phone is pink. So the pink is finally showing up, and as you can see, it's a very light pastel pink. Very cute, love it. It's not too dark, and it's just the perfect right shade. If it was any lighter, it would be close to like cream, and I'll be like, this is not pink. But the pink is in there, like the girlies love it. I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna get a little protector for my camera since the camera sits like raised up compared to the iPhone 11 that I had, because I do not want to crack my camera at all, but I do have insurance on it just in case something happens. Okay, so the first thing I would like to talk about is the price after I traded in my iPhone 11, which was in good condition. That took off $300, and then I got the Apple Care as well. Plus with taxes in Birmingham is kind of high, my total came out to be $611. I also got the 128 gigabytes. I didn't want to get any higher. I used to have 64, so this is going to be a big jump for me, and I didn't think it would be necessary to get 256 because I honestly can handle really well 64 gigabytes until it's time for me to turn my phone in. So I didn't want to get too much and it just be a waste of extra $100 I paid for and not really actually need it. Here is the screen protector that I decided to use. I got this off Amazon, and then this is the brand of the case that I also decided to use, which also I got off of Amazon. As you can see, it was very easy applying them, very, you know, beginner friendly, which I appreciate because I'm kind of bad when it comes to screen protectors. Like I either get bubbles in it or something happens when I'm putting it on. So I'm really glad that this had a guider I could put on my phone to like keep it in place. Amazing, helped so much better. So I think I will stick with that brand when it's time for me to upgrade or if I need more. All of the products that I am talking about, if it's from Amazon, I will list my Amazon storefront below as well so that you guys can go straight to the link and click it. Okay, so now let's get on to my first initial thoughts. I noticed that when I was in the store, I was like, this is a different quality, like it feels more luxury, more expensive compared to my iPhone 11, so I was very excited about that. I was thinking in my hand when I was trying to displace it, I was like, oh, this feels lighter than my iPhone 11, but now that I actually have it in my hand, it actually feels a little bit heavier, and that's not a bad thing. It just feels higher quality. I love how the look is and how the shape is, the trim, super cute. The screen, I have my glasses on, so I can't really notice the difference, but I do notice a difference in the camera, okay? Yeah, the back-facing camera is really good. I also tried out the cinematic mode as well to see how that was, and that was pretty cool, and I thought it was really neat, and I just love how it switches to whatever object is near or whatever it's focusing on, like really nice quality. I look at it as more like portrait mode, but in video form, just higher quality. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the front camera and the lighting that I'm in. It's pretty dark back there, and then if I turn it, there's my ring light, but I don't have it turned up all the way because of the fact that I don't want it to be too bright, washing me out, or making me look shiny. So this is what it looks like in this type of lighting, but I'm going to get closer so that you guys can see how it improves. Okay, so now as you can see my hair, I'm a lot closer and I'm near my ring light, and the quality is better. You know how iPhones are when it gets to lower lighting, it just looks a little different, but it's okay, it's okay. So yeah, here it is. Okay, and here I am now on a back camera, and I'm just showing where I am sitting. I'm in my kitchen, and as you can see, very crystal clear. Now you can zoom out. Okay, what? Whoa, I'm trying to zoom out, but Hunger didn't want to zoom out. I don't know what I'm doing. But you can zoom in and like, what? I like that, okay. Now we're gonna switch on to cinematic mode, and we're gonna test out how exactly that looks. Okay, so we're now in cinematic mode. As you can see, it is focusing on the candle. It decides to blur everything out. If I was to move up, see now it's focusing on y'all, and it's blurring everything out below. Super cute, like, oh, there's my apple juice. And you can see everything just looks amazing. Like, it's very good. I am excited. Okay, I am. I can do an update video on my thoughts comparing it to my last one, and you guys would like that. I don't have a bunch of them yet just because of the fact that I jumped straight into recording this video and unboxing it for y'all, so I really haven't been on it that much, but so far I'm liking it. I really am, and I'm really excited to try the camera. And I was like struggling between for a while if I was going to get the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro, and it was just like the only really difference, because it's the same size, it's like the zoom feature in the camera. I'm not gonna be using the zoom feature like that. I might use it like the first month or whatever. What am I gonna be zooming in on? So I didn't think it was necessary to get that one at all. And I'm just like, I'm glad that, you know, I stuck with this. I can just get the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's too big of a phone for me. I had the 8 Plus before the 11. I got tired of not being able to put my phone in my pocket. That was very annoying. So I think the iPhone 13 is a very good idea. The camera's amazing. Everything is there, and they're literally like minor differences when it comes to the 13 Pro and stuff like that. So I'm glad that I did that, and you will save money as well, because the iPhone 13 Pro is $200 higher than the iPhone 13. So yeah, well, this concludes the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like to see more content like this around the iPhone 13. Comment below whatever you would like to see. Remember, it's a beautiful day to keep moving forward, and I'll catch you guys next time. 8. Hello you guys, if you don't already know who my name here. Well, Dennis. Oh, fingerprints. It's a phone that you're touching constantly, and definitely if you have like product, grease, anything like that in your hands, it's gonna get on there, so I don't care. Oh, fuck, it's on me.